friend Karina Gulamani. We will be your MCs for this morning's assembly.
Please join us acknowledging that we live, work, and learn on the traditional lands of the Musqueam, Tsleil-Waututh, and Squamish Coast peoples.
Please join Lucas Marositz and Vando Vaziri to sing the national anthem and school song sung en français.
Teachers use such big words.
I'm scared of big words.
You mean that you have hippopotomonstrosis phobia?
Oh no, that's a big word.
Please welcome 4M to the stage for their assembly.
Thank you for staying tuned in to the PYP Buzzword Game Show, where students discover the teacher's secret language, teacher speak. Now we're back with the final 2 questions for today's PYP Buzzword Game Show. Will the contestants know the next question? Now, the second last PYP buzzword is named 2 key concepts. Let's hear from Angel. We can see how eager she is.
Oh, that's easy. Bunny and Unipig.
I'm sorry, Angel, but good guess.
Rewriting and drafting.
Form, perspective, connection, function, and Okay, Silton is correct. And now, for the final question for today's PYP Buzzword Game Show. What is the meaning of transdisciplinary learning? The contestants are stumped, ladies and gentlemen, totally stumped. Audience, we will have to take a short break while the contestants solve this puzzler. We will be back when the contestants have their final answers. Hump, this transdisciplinary learning question is really bothering me.
Me too. Why do teachers like such long words? What on earth could transdisciplinary learning mean?
Hey, here comes Miss Jolie. She knows all the buzzwords. Excuse me, Miss Jolie, but do you know what the word transdisciplinary learning means?
What a surprise. Well, if you want to find out that answer, the rest you will have to dig deeper and inquire collaboratively. I knew she would say that. We need the answer right now because it is the final question on the PYP Buzzwords game show, and I want to win. Well, why don't you take a look at all the different classes to investigate? Why not start with the 4M class?
Teachers speak. Hey, there's our class. I wonder what they're doing. Miss Jolly says we need to dig deeper and inquire. So let's visit our class. Come on.
Hey guys, do you like skiing at Mount Cypress? Would you like to hear my descriptive writing?
I would, and so Yoda. Yes!
I was skiing on Mount Cypress when I stopped to take a break. I felt a rush of wind blowing through my hair. I looked way down and noticed the breathtaking sunset. The warm pink and orange made me feel calm. I saw tiny black dots moving about on the slopes below me. Down the mountain, I saw the beautiful, dark blue ocean. I smelled the freshly fallen snow, which was as white as paper. I took a deep breath and sped off. Wow, you're really expressing your perspective on skiing. Your writing has such artistic style. You must have used literary devices in your writing. What is a literary device? Sounds like a tool of some kind.
Okay, guys, let's have a look at her creative expression to see if she has some.
Look, there's one. It's a metaphor. Archer writes black dots, but she means humans. Metaphor is when two unlike things are compared.
Hey, here's another literary device. She has a simile. See it?
Cool. Similes add creative comparisons to writing so that the reader can make an interesting mental picture. Audrey does this when she says, the snow was as white as a fresh sheet of paper.
I get similes. How about this? I'm as tired as a century-old tortoise.
I just thought of another literary device, onomatopoeia.
On what?
Jinx!
Onomatopoeia is a word that imitates the sound that something makes, like sizzle.
Boo!
All these literary devices are ways for people to express their ideas creatively in their writing. Okay, let's go. I'm as hungry as a grizzly bear just out of hibernation. Wow, Ashra's writing sure to express our ideas artistically. Hey, this group has instruments. I wonder what they're up to. Hello, we are composing music. Would you like to hear some artistic soundscapes that express emotions?
What is a soundscape?
Well, in our unit of inquiry, we wrote poems to creatively express colors. Here's a poem that a student wrote. Violet, by Deanna Naomi. Violet looks like the faraway waves that sparkle on the ocean, or violet is the darkness of the shimmering night sky. Violet feels calm like a droplet and peaceful like a wilderness meadow. Violet is delightful like lavender, or violet is depressing like sour blackberries. Violet sounds like the beautiful singing of a purple starling, or violet is the thundering of angry storm clouds. Violet tastes like the bitterness of plumskins, or sweet like juicy ripe grapes. Violet is vibrant. In music class with Mr. McLean, we compose music to reflect the emotions into our poems. Would you like to hear a soundscape?
Violet looks like the faraway waves that sparkle on the ocean, or violet is the darkness of the shimmering night sky. Violet feels calm like a droplet and peaceful like a wilderness meadow. Violet is delightful like lavender, or violet is depressing like sour blackberries. Violet sounds like the beautiful singing of a purple starling, or violet is the thundering of angry storm clouds. Violet tastes like the bitterness of plum skins, or sweet like juicy ripe grapes. Violet is vibrant.
Happiness.
I think I'm beginning to understand how the art of music can express ideas and emotions.
Hey, you guys, what's going on over there?
China is so cool.
In our memory class,
We learned that Chinese artists and inventors express creativity through designing incredible inventions.
some Chinese inventions are fireworks, paper money, chopsticks, gunpowder, compass, toothbrush, mechanical clock, silk, umbrella, earth detector, powder, and toilet paper.
Toilet paper?
That's cool. I didn't know China invented so many things. Look, I have a Chinese bamboo painting. In my work, I use bamboo as a symbol of strength, honor, and integrity are all important Chinese values.
We also learned that people make Chinese lanterns for special holidays.
This is the traditional lantern. We make a paper one on class when we have the Lunar New Year.
And this is what we hang on doors during the Lunar New Year. The character on the paper expresses good luck.
The Chinese have artistic ways to express their ideas, perspectives, and emotions.
Hey, check out those braves. I wonder what they're learning about.
Let's find out. What are you laughing about?
We are reflecting on our La Foix celebration, where we learn the 4 important areas of French artistic expression. What are the 4 areas? Well, one was Le Musée de Malgrave, and another was Le Café, and the fashion show.
And storytelling. The storyteller told us a traditional story about Jean-Pierre the Knight. This relates to artistic expression because costumes and stories are a form of art.
So, for Le Musée de Malgrave, we each inquired into one artist's work. We wrote about his life and artistic expression. Most people chose Claude Monet and Henri Matisse. The cafe was delicious. The grade 5 students were waiters and we were their customers. The different foods were chocolate, chocolat, jam, confiture, and bread, pain. The cafe connected to art because the menus were creatively designed and the food was prepared in unique cultural ways.
In the La Foix, there was also a fashion show. 3 French models would walk onto the red carpet and show off their designer clothes. Clothing design is fashion, which is also artistic expression. Just look at our models.
Have you noticed a common theme running through all the different subjects students are learning about? Literary devices and writing, soundscapes and music, inventions and art symbols in Mandarin, and fashion, food, storytelling, and art in French?
Yeah, all the different areas connect to the artistic expression of perspectives, ideas, and emotions, which was our central idea in our unit of inquiry.
But the word we need to investigate is transdisciplinary. So I still don't get it. Well, trans means across, and disciplines can mean subjects. The same idea is explored across all the different subject areas.
Whoa!
I wonder if this group has anything to do with how they express themselves. They seem to be talking about math. Is it possible that math can connect with artistic expression?
No way! Not likely, impossible!
Hey, Leandra, Brooklyn, Larissa, what are you learning about? We are studying geometry and art. Take a look.
This student's art has lots of
Here's a right triangle and there's a circle. Here's a pentagon, a five-sided shape. The T's are quadrilaterals.
Take a look at my art. I've used different types of lines, such as straight lines, right angles, parallel lines, and intersecting lines.
Hey, these students are using cubism in their art. This student has changed the perspective of the eye. One eye is looking at you, the other eye sideways.
So what is cubism anyway?
Cubism is a style that uses geometric shapes and angles to show different perspectives. Cubist painters express chaos or disorder, like our desks.
Math does connect to the central idea.
Hey, it's getting late. We're going to miss the PYP Buzzwords game show.
Welcome back, contestants. And now, for the moment you've all been waiting for. Contestants, are you ready for the final question? What is the meaning of transdisciplinary learning?
Learning about a big concept
Across different subjects. Wow, you are all correct. Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, that concludes our PYP Buzzword Game Show. Now, let's see what else the foreign students have done to express themselves artistically. Hey! Did I say something wrong? Why is everyone leaving?
Thank you, the forum, for their assembly.
I really loved how you explained all the words in a way that we can understand.
Please welcome Anderson in grade 4 to the stage to share his recycling video.
This was a hard project. So the film studio picked me to be a host of a recycling video, and I messed up a lot. And overall, this is what we have. Hey Mulgrave, my name is Anderson, and I'm here to talk to you about the new green initiatives happening here at Mulgrave, like, for example, the formation of the terrifying junior school recycling team. Seriously, you don't want to mess with them. Have you also noticed that Mulgrave has eliminated the use of using disposable coffee cups? Now you can bring in your own or ask for one from the front desk. But remember, coffee stations are reserved for parents and staff, not students, unless you have special permission. Needs more sugar. Not only coffee cups, but the school's also done away with paper towels in bathrooms too. Lunch. That means if you have a wasteless lunch, you get to be dismissed early for recess. So eat your baby, Mr. Jameson. Yep, that's the end of my script. And these are just a few changes Mulgrave has been making. Now take notice and take charge, and let's make 2017 the greenest year Mulgrave has ever had.
Please welcome Ms. Mitchell, Ms. McNeil, Mr. McLean, Ms. Filter, and Ms. Prezell to the stage to hand out merit certificates.
Well, I have to say, that was a truly transdisciplinary assembly. Fantastic to see everything being integrated, because that's what happens in the classroom every day. And it's wonderful to celebrate everything that's happening on every different level and every different subject. And it was fantastic to watch you guys perform that. You did a great job. I think you've got some talent here. I think we've got a talk show host on our hands and a few candidates for Jeopardy coming up. Do you think? Yeah? Fantastic. Well done. Great assembly. This week's merit certificate winners: from 3H, Eric Sue; from 3H, Lila Beaupre; from 3U, Matteo Canapari; she's from 3U. Sorry, that was a mistake on that. Sorry about that. From 2C, Isabel Wortman. From 2GJ, Niall Murray. From 2PK, Iris Lee. From 1B, Julie Zhu. From 1F, Tennyson Burr. From 1S, Shay Edstrand. From KJ, Ryan Rasamanish. From KJ, Rhea Gajar. From KV, Timothy Zhao. From KB, Ella Stone. From KB, Aiden Chen. From KY, Roman Wellwood. From KY, Romina Bagapur. And from KY, Eshan Ali. Here you go, guys. I'm gonna shake hands. Very exciting. From 4B, Amir Mojarati. From 4M, Sultan Chatilla. From 4M, Larissa Jin. From 4T, Lily Dong. From 5J, Shaib Ramdani. From 5L, Ava Ashney. From 5M, Gabrielle Coughlin. Sorry, Gabrielle, my apologies. From 6R, Camille Ahmed. From 6RJ, Taishi Soshimi. From 6Y, Jerome Lippman. Taishi might be up in the booth.
Taishi's in the booth.
Here he comes. He's busy up there in the booth controlling the lights. Taking in his shirt. Congratulations to all this week's winners. Well done. Great job.
Please welcome to the stage Mr. Moore to hand out house points.
Good morning, everyone. Boys and girls, before I announce the house points, I have to tell you a little secret. Every week, Thursday, there are a group of students, many groups, in plural, that run around the school using their magical math talents from the grade 6 leadership team who collect all the points. They count your little teddy bear jars. They look at the top of your board and go, okay, let me count this. They go into some class and they go, hey, hand out more house points. You don't have enough. We need a lot more house points. And they add them all together and collect them, and then they give me this wonderful number. And it's so nice, and I think they deserve a little bit of an applause. But hold on, not any kind of applause. There's a magical applause that I love to give. It's a unicorn clap. And the way it works is, a lot of you know it, you can only do it once. Unicorn. So let's all get our hands ready. We're going to go like this at once. Ready? 1. Parents, you too. I see you being like, I'm too cool for school. But that's not true. You know that. These are very cool students out here. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I love it. Now, should we get to the house point? All right, ladies and gentlemen, with 2,917 points is Luther. Count with my toes a little bit, 12 points. Behind, in third place, is Smith. With 3,033 points is in second place. Yuri!
Thank you to Maddie and Karina for being our MCs this morning. Always takes a big risk to get up here and do this, so congratulations. I just want to commend our teachers right now. They are busy working on report cards behind the scenes, and it takes lots and lots of effort and lots of extra time, and I just want to acknowledge the work they're doing to help prepare for a report that's going to go home next Friday that you're going to go over with your parents about your learning. Now, in amongst this, poor Miss McNeil, she's been writing report cards, she's got public speaking contest next week, and she had her assembly all wrapped up in one. So I think we should give this young lady a nice round of applause. You don't need to see her, she's okay. She's embarrassed in the back. Thank you again to the teachers for your work. Next Friday we have 1B's assemblies, and that will be our last assembly before the holiday. And we have grade 4, 5, and 6 working on public speaking for next week, and that will happen on Thursday morning. We'll have an assembly to acknowledge the winners of the public speaking contest. So have a great weekend, and we'll see you next week for a big week before our holiday. Thank you. Thank you for coming, everyone.